weekly agenda and objectives for Spanish 1, Week 11. So our objectives or our goals for this week is that students will be able to conjugate AR, ER, and IR verbs in the present tense. Students will be able to describe a classroom. And lastly, students will be able to indicate where things are located by using the irregular verb estar. So our weekly agenda for this week, on Monday we are going to review regular verb conjugations for the first half of class. The second half of class you are going to take a test on the regular present tense verb conjugations. And then your homework will be to copy the Chapter 2B vocabulary. On Tuesday we are going to practice with the Chapter 2B vocab. On Wednesday we are going to learn about the irregular verb estar. Keep in mind on Wednesday I have optional Zoom hours. They are from 8 to 8:30 for Block 1 and from 1 to 1:30 for Block 5. On Thursday we are going to practice conjugating the verb estar as well as using it with Chapter 2B vocabulary. And then on Friday we are going to continue practicing the vocab and estar, and you will also receive your study guide for Chapter 2B. Your test for this chapter is going to be on Tuesday, the 24th of November. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me using your Rover Kids account.